Hi guys, my name is Corinne with Equipment Zone and I am here with Mr. Paul Morales, the product manager over the G9070. You may have seen us a couple months ago. Let's catch back up. So tell us, when is this expected to launch, and give me a quick refresher. It's been a while.
Yeah, it has been. Well, first of all, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by and saying hello. And we're still on track for a summertime launch of this year.
Okay, awesome. And then I see today, similar to last time, if you guys saw that, you guys also have the twin roll configuration. What other options are there that you can do with this printer?
So this printer can go up to 64 inches wide, total space for media, whether that's a single roll or a twin roll configuration. You can go all the way up to 64 inch.
Nice. And then for you guys' knowledge, we do offer shakers, 32, 36, all the way up to 64 inches. You can get something like this with two 24-inch EasyJet Pro shakers, or you can get one big old shaker for the entire thing. And then what does daily maintenance look like on the G9070?
I'm glad you asked. Daily maintenance is very simple. The machine's going to ask you in the morning to shake your whiting pack. You shake your whiting pack, and you're done. That's the daily maintenance.
Easy enough to me, yeah. And this does come with a user replaceable print head. Can you tell me why is that really such a big benefit with this printer?
Absolutely. So this printer was designed based on the demand that we heard in the market. And the demand we heard in the market was everybody wanted something reliable and that was easy to support. So what we decided to do was we made a user replaceable print head so that if something happens, a user does not have to wait for parts to come in or a technician to come out. They can replace the print head themselves. There's actually no tools required. You can do it with just your bare hands. And in just a couple of hours, you're back up and running. The cool part about the user replaceable print head on here is it's one single massive print head that's already factory aligned. So there's no need to align multiple heads or multiple channels. It's already aligned right out of the box. So it is quite simply, you take the old print head out, you put the new one in, and in a couple hours time, you're back up and running right where you left off.
That sounds great to me. Well, thank you so much, Paul, for your time today. Yes, I truly do appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, we do take a deposit for this printer currently. Then 1 month before the release, we do take the full amount. Give us a call at 201-905-1000. We look forward to hearing from you and getting you guys started.